All right, we are live here at the government house, Port Harcourt, where we are expecting the arrival of the executive governor of Rivers State, talking about Sir Stephen Fubara, whose suspension was lifted yesterday by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I have here people, of course they are dancing, the environment is fine. We have people who are coming in, the environment is so nice, everybody is so happy to expect the governor back to office after 6 months. Of course, he has been away for 6 months. Look at how many people right here in the government house in Port Harcourt or River State. We have people, we have women, we have the youth, we have cultural groups, they are all dancing and waiting the arrival of the executive governor of the state. Just stay tuned to next news Port Harcourt to follow this channel and then get more of the whole, keep you updated on the development so far. But for now, enjoy the ambience, of course. But now that we are at the government house, I don't know from now, we are expecting the governor to arrive right here and right there. So, all right, thank you very much for still staying tuned to the channel. We are still right here at the entrance of the government house, Port Harcourt, where I told you we'll be expecting the arrival of the executive governor of Rivers State, talking about Sir Stephen Fubara, whose 6 months suspension was lifted yesterday by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, talking about His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So recently, a few hours ago, we saw the naval officer talking about Admiral Iboite Bas, who exited this particular building after spending 6 months of governance. And right with me here are women. Of course, I told you earlier that the environment has been fine. People are dancing, gyrating. They can't wait to get their governor back. And I have here one of the celebrants here who would love to speak with us. Man, what is her name?
My name is Princess Rachel Dakrifi-Bika Duran from Krika local government area.
So how do you feel about this whole excitement about the return of the governor of Rivers State?
It is electrifying. It is immeasurable. It is a day of thanksgiving to God and to the benefit of Rivers people. Rivers people and indeed other indigenes that reside in Rivers State. And of course, South Nigeria. My dear, I can't even express myself now because I don't know what to say. We are all on suspension. All of us who were simplified were on suspension. But now we're back. We are really looking good and thanking God. And that's it to the glory of God. It is not easy. We are happy. We are happy because at this point in time, I tell you, development will resume. And the grassroots women of River State will have, as a matter of urgency, good things coming to us from our team.
How has it been for the past 6 months in this state for you?
My dear, it's been 6 months of hell. 6 months of there is no activity. 6 months of, I don't know how I'm going to put it, but then God is God. What God cannot do does not exist.
All right, thank you very much. I think you can see the women are very fine. They are very happy. So can't wait to get their governor back on. Since I don't wait from now, we'll be expecting the arrival of the governor, Sir Stephen Fubara, who will be making his entrance back to the government house. Thank you very much.
The government house, whatever, where we're expecting the government. So, what can you say about the whole 6 months suspension of the thing?
Well, we know a lot is about the president did it with his own reason, but as God may have it, he has restated him. Today, we are happy with him for coming back, and we are very happy because he's our governor, a people's choice. He loves his people, and his people loves him. Yes, as he comes back, we expect that he will do all that he used to do. He's a nice governor. He has been doing all the good works in the state, and everybody notices it. And it goes down to the grass, and everybody is happy.
if that the governance in university, I wouldn't know. Apart from payment of worker salary, I wouldn't know if anything happened in university. There has been no government in the university for that. What would it describe the whole 6 months suspension of the thing? What's the thought of it? University was a suspense. What was the suspense? University was a suspense. We pray we don't have such things again. We pray we don't have such things again in River State. Like other states, there have been no state of emergency declared anywhere. Who may quarrel, who may have misunderstanding, we elect democratically elected government in any place. Yes.